Hi, welcome to Maree. It's almost Christmas time and I've got a spiced orange buckwheat muffin to share with you today. Zingy, moist, and I've got a little hint of cranberries inside. I'm using dried cranberries, but if you've got access to fresh cranberries, feel free to put them in. So let's get mixing. So we're going to do it without the electric mixer today. So we just need a whisk and a large bowl. So I've got buckwheat flour already measured out. So we've got 200 grams of buckwheat flour. Well, that's about 1.25 cups. You can swap it out for regular flour, but just weigh it because buckwheat flour weighs slightly more than regular flour. And then I've got some spices here. So I love cinnamon. So we're just adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to our flour and a teaspoon of mixed spice. And then we've got some baking powder. Whoops, not a tablespoon. We're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're just going to whisk that together. I'm not going to sift it. I just want to do it a quick way. And then we've got some brown sugar. So that's about half of tightly packed light brown sugar, which is 90 grams. Okay, we're going to set that aside. And then I've got a little jug here. We're going to add 2 eggs. I've got sunflower oil, that's 75 mils, or about 1/3 cup. And I've got some natural Greek yogurt here. So that's 170 grams of Greek yogurt, or about 1/2 cup and 2 tablespoons. So we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we'll grab our dry ingredients back again. So I'm going to add all of that egg yogurt mix into the flour. Then I have a small orange that I've zested, so I'm going to throw the zest in. And then we've got some fresh orange juice here from the orange. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon to start with and just see if I need any extra. Now I've got our dried cranberries here. That's 1/2 cup or 65 grams. And as I said in the intro, if you're somewhere and you can get fresh cranberries, pop them in. Or just leave them out if you don't have them, or pop sultanas in or raisins. Okay, I think I'm just going to add in 1 more tablespoon of the juice. So we've already paper lined our muffin tray, but you can also use just butter and grease it. I had these really cute little Christmassy paper, so I've popped them in. Oh, before we go any further, I've already popped my oven on 170 degrees C and it's a fan, but if you don't have a fan, pop it on 190. So if you're new here today, consider subscribing. All you need to do is have a Google account and hit subscribe and then the bell and you get notified. I do 2 videos a week and I love baking with buckwheat flour and spelt flour, and I've got some quick dinner ideas. And make sure you hit the thumbs up if you've liked my video today and share it with a friend. So just before we pop them into our oven, just going to clean up my tray. This is a great tip so you don't spend time scrubbing it later on when the batter is all baked on. Okay, before we go any further, I forgot, I've got this fun orange pearl sugar that I've had in the cupboard for a while, and I was looking for a recipe to use it on, so I'm just going to sprinkle on some of this pearl sugar. Pearl sugar's like little crystals of sugar, so it looks fun and adds a little bit of crunch. Now we'll bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. So our muffins are cooked and out of the oven. So let's cut one open and have a look. So check that out. Light, fluffy. Love the spice and the zing of the citrus cranberries. Yum. If you've liked my video today, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching. I'll add some links above for some other Christmas baking ideas. And enjoy baking. These are delicious. Bye.